So, are you looking for medical coding job? You don't know where to find the medical coding job in USA, UAE and India? So don't worry. Here I am going to provide you with few job openings for freshers, experienced as well as work from home as well as work from office and hybrid. So my name is Harish Gupta, medical coder, process trainer, content creator for FastCoder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. In my channel you will get free job updates, free knowledge sharing medical coding videos as well as free AAPC free CU webinars. So if you want to speak with us, download Call Me for free app and call us using FastCoder21 at the rate of CM4 as the ID. So we have first job here. This is for Cascade. So they are looking for senior AR callers. So they are looking for 2+ years experienced people. So they have provided their location here. See here, they have mentioned it is work from home job. So and they have provided their email ID and mobile number here. You can apply for this job if you are looking for work from home. So next one is for ClaimsK. So they are looking for medical coder IP. This location is Al Ain. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for US. So they are looking for OASIS coding and clinical auditors. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided details. So next one is for Pethora Insurance Claim Settlement LLC. So they are looking for clinical query management coordinator. So they have provided their email ID as usual. So job location is Dubai, UAE. So next one is for this Omega Healthcare. So this is job location Trichy. So they have provided their email ID and no email ID, only mobile number. So you can contact them and you can work as a training medical coder. Next one is for looking for insurance coordinator. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided detail. So next one is for medical insurance underwriter. So this is also for UAE. You can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for UAE job. So they are looking for medical coder with UAE healthcare experience. They have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided detail. So next one is for Crystal Box Limited. So they are looking for medical coding, medical billing, credential specialist, air executive, accounts executive. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided details. So next one is for medical coder with minimum 4 years experience UAE. So job location is Abu Dhabi. So they are looking for only female candidates. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using that. So next one is for CPC medical coder with experience. So job location is Abu Dhabi. So they are looking for 2 years experience coder. So they have provided their email ID and mobile number. You can apply using the provided detail. So next one is for USA. So this is for facility inpatient coder. So they have provided their email ID here. See here, this is for USA coders only. So if you are staying in USA, you can apply for this job. So next one is for medical coder position in Mumbai. So they have provided their mobile number. You can apply using this mobile number. So next one is for done. So next one is for medical scribe. So if you are not possible to get job in medical coding, you can work as the medical scribe also for time being. So you need all this knowledge. So you can apply using the provided details. So this is also for UAE. So next one, Cascade senior AR callers. ClaimsK. Next one is for medical coder OP. So this is also for ClaimsK. They have provided their email ID here. So next one is for medical coder IP. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply. Next one is for Augustus. So they are looking for medical coder. They have provided their mobile number here. So they are looking for home health coders. basically. So this is for Lifeline. They are looking for doctors, receptionist, RCM assistant. So they have provided their email ID and mobile number. You can apply using them. Next one is for AR analyst, charge entry. So they have provided their email ID and mobile number here. You can apply using those details. Next one is for Jori Healthcare. They are looking for assistant manager, AR Denta. So job location Mohali. So you can apply using the provided mobile number. So next one is for Limpid. So account receivable executive. So they have provided their mobile number. Job location is Ahmedabad. So next one is for Integra Connect, Omega Healthcare. They are looking for executives and AR. So they have provided their email IDs and mobile number. Next one is for Primera. So they are looking for MBBS friends. They are looking for medical reviewer. They have 100 openings. So you can contact them using the provided details and the provided email ID. So work location Hyderabad and Bangalore. Next one is for hiring HCC coders. So they have provided their email ID, mobile number. You can apply using the provided details. So next one is for certified coders and certified auditors. They have provided their mobile number and email ID. You can contact them using those details. So this is also for UAE. So they are looking for senior medical coder. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using that. So next one is for India Asian Healthcare. So job location Vizag and Bangalore. They are looking for AR callers. They have provided their mobile number and email ID. So next one is for assistant manager Noida, work from home, Pacific Global. So just you can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for hospital billing. This is for AGS Health, job location Hyderabad. So they have provided their mobile number. You can apply using this mobile number. So next one is for manager medical coding. So you can apply using the provided details like email ID. So they are looking for 10 to 15 years experience people. So next one is for Fortis Hospital Noida. So they are looking for interns in the clinical pharmacology department. So we have done M Pharmacy, Pharma D, B Pharm. This job is suitable for you. So next one is for BDS, BM, BHMS, PPT, B Pharm, CM Pharm. So basically they are looking for all medical coding specialties. Job role is medical review scientist. Job location Bangalore. You can apply using the provided email. So guys, please watch complete video, apply, like and share. Hence I will try to help you more. As well as if you like these videos, it will reach more job seekers all over the world and indirectly you are helping them. So next one is for HCC profiles with CRC-CPC. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the provided email. So next one is for Pacific is hiring for AR senior AR caller. So they have provided their mobile number here. You can apply using that. So this is for Advanced Pain Management Center of Oklahoma. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the provided details. If you are in USA only, you can apply for this job. So don't apply if you are in India or UAE. So this is for Haya code. So if you are anyone looking for this job, please send me message so that I will send the link for this job posting. So please click on like button and motivate us to provide more jobs. So next one is for Medical Writing Associate in Pune. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the provided details. So next one is for CPC certified fresher. So they are looking for medical coders. They have provided their mobile number. So this is also for USA job. So if anyone wants to apply in USA, just send me the email. So otherwise, just you can send your email using the comment section. So I will provide you with link for this job. So next one is for UAE. So they are looking for quality officer, accounts assistant. So they have provided their email ID. So next one is for HCC coder. They have provided their email ID, mobile number. So this is for UAE. So they are looking for electroneurodiagnostic technician and speech language therapist. Next one is for physicians. They have provided their mobile number. You can apply using this mobile number. So this is for ECLAT. So they are looking for AR associate. You can apply using the provided email and mobile number. So next one is for medical center in Qatar. So they are looking for all the specialty physicians. You can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for Al Habib Medical Group in Riyadh and Jeddah projects. They are looking for ultrasound technologists. They have provided their email ID here. So next one is for medical transcriptionist. So this is for UAE. So they have provided their email ID here. So thanks for visiting FastCoder21. Please like, comment and share FastCoder21. If you like more, this video will reach more people and those people will get benefit because of you. Happy New Year.